Good morning everyone. I am Azul Gupta and today we will do the remaining questions of multiplication of exercise 2.6. So today we are going to do the remaining questions of exercise 2.6. Only one question, that is question number 2 is remaining in our exercise. In question number 2 we are having few parts and in each part you have to multiply two decimal numbers. Just recall that I have told you whenever you have to multiply two decimal numbers, first of all, by ignoring their decimal, you multiply them as ordinary numbers. And after the multiplication, when you get your answer or product, in the product you have to again put decimal. And you will count the number of decimal places in multiplicand and in multiplier, and you will add the decimal places in both of them, and you will put the decimal by counting those number of digits from the right. Okay, here in example you can see that 6.24 and 4.2. So first of all I just multiply them by ignoring their decimals like ordinary numbers. When I get the product, in product I have to put the decimal point again. So I will count the number of decimal places here. Decimal places means how many digits are there after decimal point. There are two digits here, and here you are having only one digit after decimal point. So total how many digits are there? Two in this one and one in this one. Total three digits are there. So in answer, you will leave three digits from the right hand side and you will put the decimal. Okay. Here also in part B, you have to multiply two decimal numbers again. So first of all, I multiply them by ignoring their decimals. Okay. Here my multiplier is 0.12. Here I am writing only 12 because if I write 0 in front of it, it is 12 only. Okay, so I can write it as 12. So I multiply both of these numbers. I hope all of you know how to multiply. First of all, you multiply ones place digit with all these digits, and then you multiply tens place digit with all these digits, and you will add them up. Okay, so I get the product, and in product again I have to put my decimal point. So I will count. Here I am having how many digits after decimal? 2. And here I am having how many digits after decimal point? Again 2. So total will be 4 digits. So from the right I will leave 4 digits and I put my point in the answer. Okay. In C part also you can see one number is decimal number and another one is a whole number here. Okay, so ignore its decimal point for once and you multiply like them like an ordinary numbers. You will get the product again, and in the product again you can see here I am having only two decimal places. That means I am having two digits after the decimal point, right? Two digits are there after decimal point, and here no decimal point is there, so number of digits after decimal point is 0. So total if I add them up, there should be two digits after decimal point in answer. So in answer I will leave two digits from the right and I put my decimal point. Okay, let's move on to our next question. Next D part is you have to multiply 0.034 and 5.29. Again you will multiply them like ordinary numbers. Here you can see you are having three digits after decimal point and here you are having only two digits after decimal point. So total number of digits after decimal point will be 5. So in answer leave 5 digits from the right and put the decimal point. As here in my product only 5 digits are there, so before point I will put 0. Okay, all other parts are same. We are repeating the same process again and again. Here you can see again I am multiplying a decimal number with a whole number. So here only one decimal place is there after point. So in answer also I will leave just one digit after before putting my point. Okay, from the right. Okay, here you can see you multiply both of these like ordinary numbers, again you get a product, and in product you have to put decimal. Here you are having 3 digits after decimal point, here you are having only 1 digit after decimal point. Okay, so total there will be 4 digits after decimal point in answer. So in answer from right I will leave 4 digits and I will get my point here. Okay, look here in H part. Here 37 is my multiplicand and this 0.00029 is my multiplier. You have to multiply them. Here no decimal is present, but if you ignore the decimal of this one, it will become 29 only. Okay, so you will multiply both of them and you will get the product. In product now you have to put the decimal. As you can see here, no decimal is present, so no decimal place is there, but here decimal is present, so my number of decimal places are 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in answer you have to leave 5 digits from the right, but you can see here in the product only 4 digits are here, so I put double zero in front of them. Now you can leave 5 digits from the right, 1 2 3 4 5, and you will put the decimal. Okay, because 1073 can be written as 001073, right? If you add zeros in front of it here, it is the same number only. Okay, you can add as many as 0 you want in front of the number. My numbers remain same. So here I am putting 2 zeros so that I can easily put my decimals, leaving 5 digits from the right. All these questions are similar. Today we will do only these type of questions. We will not go further. So you can practice them more and more and you will get to know how to multiply easily. Okay, thank you.